Alright, now it's time to roast my marshmallow. Okay, that's enough. Oh, by the way, this is part 2 of the camping trip. And I already ate mine. Sorry about the background noise. Anyways, it's time to go to sleep, so you guys get into your pajamas. I don't want to go to sleep. Just go to sleep. You're gonna sleep outside in the stars, by the way. Sorry about that, but anyways. Okay, you guys go get changed. Who's gonna get changed first? Me. Where's my backpack or bag? Oh, there it is. Okay. There's the bag. My squishmallow. My other ones. Oh my god. Hold on, like eyes. Okay. Finally, we got to the clothes section. Oh my god, that took forever. Okay. And just putting my phone. There's no internet, so what's the point of bringing the phone, but whatever. And then just this. Perfect. And I'll put my computer here too. Oh, my phone. There. Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. Good night, sis. Good night, sis. Good night, other sis. Good night, brother. Oh my god, bro. She's so annoying, but whatever. No, wrong jewelry. There it is. Where's my pajama? Oh, there it is. Luckily, I don't need to bring that much. All I need to bring is my clothes. Sis, why are you holding my clothes? Oh my god. Oh my god! Hold on. There we go, finally. Alright, now get that in there. I'm gonna go sleep outside, but I need to wait for Mom and Dad, by the way. Okay. By the way, I called dibs on sleeping in the hammock. Okay. I kinda don't want to sleep in the hammock. I'll just sleep. Do you want to sleep on the couch or something? I'd rather sleep on the couch, though. Whatever. I'll just sleep on the couch, I guess. Okay. Why are you asleep? Right, there you go. Okay, now I need my plushie. Where's my other plushie? Oh my god. Sissy, we have to wear the same pajamas, so wear this one, okay? Okay, Sissy. Okay, get in there. Anyways, next. Oh, girl, you have so much clothes. Actually, toys, I mean. Okay. It's like, girl. And my plushies. Okay, Mommy, okay. We're gonna be on a chair seeing it. Hey, don't do anything though. Of course we're not gonna do anything. We're only gonna look. Yeah, you can look from a different angle, alright. I'll just get changed first. There, this one. That is good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Where the heck is his pajama? There it is. Okay. Alright, he now got changed. Alright, if you guys need any extra blankets, they're in here, okay? Just wake us up. And we'll get them for you. here's an extra pillow if someone needs it. Needs it. Oh my god, bro, the stupid thing. Oops. God, this pillow won't get in the bed. It's when. Okay. Now they're all gonna sleep. Where am I gonna? Hey, you don't have room for me. Okay, let's scoot, honey. I am scooting. You know what? I'm just gonna sleep in the. How about I'll sleep in the hammock. It's fine. You sure? Here's an extra pillow. Thanks, honey. I can't even put it up there, but whatever. Good night, honey. Good night. So that's the end, and this is gonna be like the second to last part. So bye, y'all.